Did you know? Your body could be rejecting its own insulin and you might not even feel it, until it turns into full-blown type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance is a hidden metabolic issue silently affecting millions of people worldwide. And the worst part? It often goes unnoticed until it's too late. But here's the good news. Insulin resistance is not only preventable, it can be reversed, naturally. And today, I'll show you how. What is insulin resistance? Let's keep this simple. Insulin is a hormone made by your pancreas. Its job? To help your cells absorb glucose from your bloodstream and turn it into energy. But when your body is constantly bombarded with sugar or high-carb foods, your cells start ignoring insulin's signal. It's like knocking on a door that no one answers. So your pancreas produces more insulin, but your cells still won't listen. This is insulin resistance. Now you've got two problems. Glucose builds up in the blood, causing high blood sugar. And insulin levels keep rising, which leads to fat storage, fatigue, and eventually serious health issues. It's the beginning of a downward spiral, but it can be stopped. What causes insulin resistance? Insulin resistance doesn't just happen overnight. Here's what typically causes it. High sugar intake. Consistently eating sugary snacks, drinks, and refined carbs keeps insulin levels elevated. Sedentary lifestyle. Without movement, your muscles don't use glucose efficiently. Poor sleep. Just one bad night of sleep can decrease insulin sensitivity. Chronic stress. High cortisol raises blood sugar and makes your body more insulin resistant. Excess belly fat. Especially visceral fat around the organs, which releases inflammation-causing chemicals. Ultra-processed foods. Often loaded with seed oils and hidden sugars, which disrupt metabolic balance. Your body doesn't just break overnight. These habits slowly chip away at your metabolic health. Signs you may have it. You might be insulin resistant without even knowing it. Here are some early signs. Feeling tired after meals. Gaining weight easily, especially around the stomach. Intense sugar or carb cravings. Trouble focusing or feeling mentally foggy. Dark patches of skin around your neck or underarms. High blood pressure or elevated fasting glucose. These symptoms can feel vague, but they are signals that your metabolism is under pressure. Part 4. How to reverse it naturally. Now let's talk solutions, real, sustainable strategies backed by science. 1. Lower carbs, not just calories. Focus on whole, fiber-rich foods. Limit added sugars and refined grains. Choose things like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, avocados, seeds, and nuts. Legumes and whole grains in moderation. This reduces glucose spikes and lowers insulin demand. 2. Intermittent fasting. Fasting helps reset insulin sensitivity by giving your body time without food-triggered insulin spikes. The best is 16:8 approach, 16 hours fast, 8 hours eating, is simple and effective. 3. Move more, daily. Exercise is a powerful insulin sensitizer. Try 30 minutes of brisk walking or resistance training. Muscles soak up glucose even without insulin when they are active. 4. Fix your sleep. Poor sleep equals higher insulin resistance. Set a regular sleep routine and avoid screens an hour before bed. 5. Manage stress actively. Chronic stress makes your body release cortisol, which raises blood sugar. Daily breathing exercises, journaling, or just taking 10 minutes for stillness can make a difference. 6. Supportive supplements. Please remember to consult a licensed before taking any supplements. Magnesium supports glucose metabolism. Omega-3s, anti-inflammatory. Berberine, natural compound shown to lower blood sugar, often compared to metformin in studies. Talk with your doctor before starting anything new. Alright, that is all for today, and remember guys, insulin resistance might be silent, but it's not invisible. And it's absolutely reversible. By making small but consistent changes to how you eat, move, sleep, and manage stress, you can dramatically improve your metabolic health. If you've ever dealt with symptoms like fatigue or cravings, or if you've already started improving your habits, share your experience in the comments.